Welcome to my channel. In today's video, as you know from the title, we are not gonna unbox a diecast. Today we are gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. I just picked it up today, and last time when I bought my phone I didn't made an unboxing video from it, but I decided that I make one from this. So let's see the box at first. Tab S9 FE. I bought it in this sexy mint green color. One side Samsung, other side Tab S9 FE. As usual Samsung. Here on the back nothing interesting, so let's unbox it. As you already know from millions of unboxing videos, we got the color matching S Pen, not like other companies. We got a USB Type-C to C cable. We get the little ejection pin because you can put storage in it up to 1 terabyte. And I think the quick start guides. Of course. You know, I can't understand why companies are giving this but not a charging brick. I don't get it. At the front we get a little Samsung lettering. At the back we see where the S Pen is going. Okay. This looks amazing. It's gorgeous. Let's talk about a little bit of the details. Keep in mind guys, I'm not a tech review channel, but let's start it. With the Galaxy Tab S9 FE you get a 10.9 inches 90 Hz refresh rate IPS LCD display. The resolution is 1440 by 2304. Max brightness is 720 nits, and to be honest I think that's enough. This little beauty has IP68 water resistance, and from a mid-range tablet that's a pretty damn good feature to have. At the front we have the 12 megapixel camera with fixed focus. On the top we have the fingerprint scanner built in the power button. We have volume down and up, the lovely USB-C port. We have the connection dots to the keyboard cover, another speaker, and here you can put a micro SD card inside. So on the back we have a little Samsung logo. We have a huge camera, which in real life is not too huge because it's just 8 megapixel with autofocus, but it can only record video in full HD 30 frames per second. Sound by AKG, so that can just mean only one thing. This little boy sounds like a beast. And now that we're ready, let's power on the big boy. nice. Oh, Ching Chang Chung, he knows what I was thinking about. You can choose your display between light and dark, and of course I go with dark mode. Next. You are all set up. Finish. As long as this little baby finishes his work, let's talk about it with a few words. I wanted to get this more than the Tab S9 Ultra because I don't need the Ultra, and the price is half from the Galaxy Tab S9. Okay, alright, I get it. With the Tab S9 FE, you just get a 5nm Exynos 1380 chipset, not a Snapdragon, and you just get an LCD display, not an OLED. But to be honest, for those things that I bought this tablet for, just for use it as a second screen to write my script, and basically I just bought it for work. And I just bought this tablet because someone in my workplace broke my S10 Plus, what was originally my second phone. It's really good. It's actually better than my S23 Ultra. You get your basic you get your basic Samsung things. I remember the time when I downloaded One UI 6 to my 23 Ultra. It was unusable for 2 weeks. What I really love on this tablet that it has DeX. You have basically a whole computer in your hands. Let's see the camera. A little camera test. Let's make a picture of my light. You know, the picture quality is not too bad. I have to say, pictures are actually good. Let's see the front camera. You was thinking that I gave you a face review. Just think it. If this video hits 200,000 views, I'll make a face review. But now you can see my professional equipment. Put the cover on. I didn't like it with the cover on. I say, for your everyday task, this tablet is more than enough. You can play games, you can listen to music, you can watch videos, and you can work with it. So guys, this was today's video. Don't forget to comment what you think about this little beauty over here. Like and subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next one.